Hello, everybody. It's Phantom Wolf. Oh, you guys are wimps. Get out of here, mate. And we are playing Breaking Point on Roblox. You gonna shoot? You gonna shoot? Shoot me, I dare you, hostile loser. And I'm playing with Sadie.
Hi guys.
The shooter's deciding how to kill. I want to kill someone in public. No. Yes, good boy. Good. Good. Yes, good boy. Good boy. I'm gonna give you a treat. Oh, wow. You are a scaredy cat if you want to. Oh my gosh, you're a scaredy cat if you really want to go in the public. I mean, the secret way. Oh, Sadie, you're gonna die. Alright, we got some scaredy cats. Yep, you're dead, Sadie. Oh, Sadie! Sadie, this is your one chance. Oh, Sadie wins. Bro, she won. Let's go. Turn it off, Sadie.
People want to be friends with me, not kill me.
I know it's really
I know.
I'm gonna take. Alright, the player shooting an opponent. Because it plays bad stuff in it.
Oh, it's not.
Kill someone already. Pick me. Me. Let's go for this person. Me. Sadie, really? You really want to die?
Yep. Hey, you owe me $2.
No, Sadie, you came up to me, so.
You're the only easy person.
Sadie, I just wrecked you. Me. I wanna be out. Please. He's annoying. He's my annoying brother. Get wrecked, noob. Get noob.
Watch Fluff.
It's more like he's watching me. Oh no, why didn't I have my knife? Get out of here, booty. No lights, damn it. Kill for him. Thank you. Wait, what? Me? Alright. Oh. Me. Oh, that guy's dead. No light. No, what just happened? I pressed a couple buttons of fear. GG, mate. GG. GG, mate. Game will start shortly. Don't mind the background noise. Alright, guys. I got this. If you believe me, leave a like. I appreciate it. Oh, I like this one. Me. Yes. Alright, who am I fighting against? Who am I fighting against? Oh, I'm just gonna. Oh, him. Oh, Muscle Bacon here. Haha.
Okay, say.
me.
The ones that highlighted in orange, that's when you're gonna draw.
Oh, me. I choose myself. Come on, I want a rematch. Rematch with this cheese guy. I want a rematch. By the way, that knife shouldn't gone. Me. And this guy. Not her, this guy. Come on. No! Me. Okay, good. The cheese guy's still alive. I want a rematch with that guy. I want a rematch. I want a me match. No. Broski, McDoski. Not, no me. Okay, then you're gonna be it. Eh? Oh, this guy, like, really wants to get out of here. Did he just... Oh my god. How? Me. Broski, no. Why him? Why that person? No! She was the only person who voted for me.
Is this still the same round?
No. I mean, yes, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Oh. GG, mate. Alright, the two players will fight. I hate middle school. I'm not even in middle school. I'm gonna take my horsey to the town. The two players will... No, please. Me. Him. Cheese man and that guy. Bro, the cheese man is just killing everyone. They don't pick me. I've only killed one person. Ooh. Me and the cheese guy. The cheese curds. Rematch. Where'd my knife go? Okay. GG. I am leaving Roblox forever. And that's the end of the video. Bye, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Come on. No! Cheese curds. Oh, I got 5 credits. How many credits do I have in total? Not that. Shop. I have 72 credits in total. What do I want? I want animations. What do I want? I don't know. Oh, hey, there's my dead body on the table. Hello, dead me. Let me just say one more time. Just do it then. Just so I know. I want a rematch with that cheese guy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hey, it's a long table. I can take you. Can we trade? I have you have my chill. Oh, what just happened? Wait. Huh? Good shimmies on doll? Alright, no, I don't want that. Accessories? Oh my gosh, I want accessories. I want an iPhone. That I am. Oh wait, you have to get them. Wait. What are we doing? What is that? The shooter is deciding how to kill. Oh, nice one. You got the cheese man, but that was... Oh, it's an Albert fan. I think that's Albert. Or is that J&G?
I don't know. I'm gonna die.
Oh. Come on. With the guy to my right. Stay alive with me. Stay alive. I'm gonna do something funny. Please.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I really want to look at your screen.
Oh no.
Who's the sugar?
That's brutal. That's a doodle. No, please don't kill me. No, 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 no. I thought that. Oh.
Oh, shoot. You.
Sorry, bro. No, that's all I wanted to do. Oh, yeah, he instantly knew who to go for. Bro, this game is so funny. I'm gonna die.
Sorry, don't kill me. That wasn't me.
You didn't kill me, though.
I know.
No, don't do it.
Oh, shoot.
Don't do it. Oh, you're so dead,
Oh my
mate.
God.
You are so dead if I'm still alive.
I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna get her.
No, I'm gonna get her. You messed up, boy. I'm so dead. That was you, Sadie.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. Hold on a sec. And we're back, guys.
What? How's it look like? Well, guys, we're gonna have to be right back.
Alright. We're back, guys. I just had to do something quick. Woo. Is he trying to kill me? Bro. Come on. Pick me. Pick me. Pick me. Pick me. No. Me. No! I'm gonna kill. Oh, this is the girl who wanted to kill me. But I killed her. I did the tweet around.
They're going towards me.
Yoink. Oh, come on, me. Me? Oh, and you're dead. Oh. Oh. Yeah. 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 Woo. I hit him twice. I hit him twice. What do you mean? Now I'm laying right. You could shit. My dead body's right next to her. I'm just
I
chilling
didn't
right
reach
there.
but
What is? Can I close the chat, please? I don't. What is this? Be the murderer. Who did it? Shop. Back. Gun skins. What are those? Those are pretty boring. I like a nice.
gun skins are boring because you'll never like ever use them.
Chill. Just chill. Alright guys, we're gonna have to end it right here. Hope you guys have a great day and why did I'm so stupid.